What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a 2012 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Touring. Guys, this bike is super awesome. I love these bikes. I'm always telling people, if you're gonna buy a great touring bike that's not like crazy overpowered but still has tons of power, they're actually kind of light. I'm surprised as to how low the center of gravity is on these beasts, but I'm a huge fan of these bikes. But I'm not the one who's supposed to be talking about it. I'm supposed to be showing you all the flaws about it. And it starts back here with this scratch right here on the rear fender. It's not bad. I mean, some touch-up paint, you'd be Gucci. Tires are great. Looks like he almost just put new tires on it. They're in great shape. Bags are actually in really good shape. A lot of times people are kicking bags, slinging their leg and stuff. Bags are in great shape. It's got that solo pipe, which actually for the 2-in-1, which actually for performance is for the best. I'm a big fan of that. All this chrome's in good shape. As I move here to the tank, this tank is nice. I love these bikes, guys. I think for the money, you're getting a lot of bike for the money. These kind of, and I know people are gonna like kill me for this, but these kind of remind me the way they ride of like a soft tail. And people are gonna kill me on the internet for saying that. But I love the way the things ride. They ride nice, and that's not a scratch. They ride nice and light. I'm a big fan of them. Very strong in the background, running up. Springer soft tail. Got a little bit of wear on that front fork. It's not a big deal. It kind of happens when it's not chrome or something like that. It's just that, you know, just that normal non-chrome. Front fender's in good shape though. Windshield actually, it's actually pretty clear. I'm actually pretty impressed. Windshield's in great shape. So I move here to the side. The side of the tank's in great shape. Now this beast was a local trade-in. It's actually a guy that's bought a number of bikes from us. Let me just scratch here on this lower cover. He's bought a number of bikes from us. This was a local trade from him. He bought a Royal Star. He started out on an 1100 Vstar, then he bought this, and then he bought a Royal Star. A couple little scratches on the bag right there, if you can see those. So, you know, got a nice big seat on there. I don't know if that back seat is what the stock one is. It looks, I don't think Ultimate's the stock seat on there. He put speakers on it, which actually, they turn on when you turn the bike on, so I'm guessing it's all wired up right. Wires up right away. It's got 19,424 miles on it. Speakers actually seem to be pretty nice. It's got a battery tender. Hook up. Guys, the bike's in pretty good shape. It's got some scratches here and there. It's a really nice bike. The guy who bought a number of bikes from me, he's a pretty meticulous guy. He bought a Vstar 1100, then this, then he upgraded to a Royal Star. The Royal Star is actually way older, but it's a big old touring bike. I'm a big fan of these bikes. This bike will not last long, guys. Let me know if you're interested in it. It's a killer bike for the money. Like I said, I think it rides very true to form. It's not overpowering. I know a lot of people, that's their one qualm with like the Royal Star, is that it's a very heavy bike. Guys, this bike, if you're a bigger guy and you're a beginner, I would almost not hesitate to put you on this with a 950, just because I think that they ride so nice. They're so manageable. I love these bikes. I think Yamaha knocked it out of the park when they came up with these bikes, because the design is just astronomically better than the old 1100s. It's just way more spaced out. It's way better gearing. Way more designed for the highway. And like I said, I think it rides a little bit like a soft tail. I know people are going to kill me for that, but I love the way it rides. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, and let me know if you're interested in it. Thanks a ton, guys.